How to give credit to music in YouTube videos. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to properly give credit to music in your YouTube videos. This is super important to avoid any copyright issues, so let's dive right in. First, let's open YouTube in our browser. Simply open the browser and type youtube.com. Once you have opened the YouTube, click on your profile icon. And from here, you need to click on YouTube Studio. Once you're in the YouTube Studio, scroll down and then click on Audio Library. Here, you can search for the title of the music. If it's available in the library, you are in luck. This means it's royalty free and you won't need to give credit. But what if you're using copyright free music from YouTube? No worries, simply you need to search for those music that do not have any copyright on YouTube. Once you have done that, you need to simply copy the URL of the music. Then you need to go to your video that you are about to post. In the description, paste the URL into your video. Then make sure to label it as music credit, and that's it. You have successfully given credit to the music in your YouTube video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.